twagaza tuva mu mujyi twicaye ku kantu akamodoka karaho.
Would come from town sitting in the back of a car.
Naringiye gutanga urugero mbona ntimworwumva.
I was going to give an example, but
Donc baga akamodoka ka kabini imwe imodoka ifite bayita gute? Pickup. Simple cabine. Simple cabine. Noneho kagaga kantu nyine twagaza twicaraho turi nk'abantu nka 30.
we used to sit on that small lever benched car
tukabziganira mu modoka.
And we would all struggle to fit in the car.
Noneho tukarara tukama tuva mu gisa 11 iyi mihanda yose ubuyobozi bwiza ni bwiza muzogume mu busengere mu busabe n'Imana musabire na Afrika igira ubuyobozi bwiza. Iyi mihanda yose mureba cyari gitaka. Kaburimbo hari kuva mu gino niremera Sopetra dukamumanuka ukaja ku kibuga cy'indege sinzi Kanombe kwa hariya komeza Kanombe hamwe nyine ahande umuyobozi mukuru yaratuye icoge ni gutyo komeza naho ni hafi aho kaburimbo. Nuko abandi iyi mihanda hafi ya yose cyari gita tukama tuva kwa mawinjira kimihurura yose mu kiministre ukama kutuzunguruka twicaye kuri ako gatebe tukagenda joro ryose.
We used to go from town and the roads were not tarmacked by then. It was a very rough road. And there were very many people in the car. We were still young men. And the car was bumping and bumping all the way. What were we seeking for? We were working for just 16,000 rand. But then by then the money was a lot.
Kaunga ari 600 yapanze cyane 650.
1 kilogram of posho was like 600 by then.
Bisi yari 50. Nuko tukagenda.
We would go all the way.
Bashika docivere habaga imbwebwe n'imbwa zo mu gihuru habaga imbwebwe gusa. Kamagura ngo kadongo ngwino ngo hagarara mu mbwebwe.
We used to reach in a place where there were stray dogs, and then they would say, Kado, come in and then stand in this pole where there are stray dogs. I couldn't say no. And in my heart, I'm not willing. And they were telling me, stay awake, because if you sleep, the stray dogs are going to feed on you.
Donc, ntuchunge habaga iradiyo y'abadage. Haba manteni radio y'abadage.
There were satellites and antennas of the Dutch radios,
ube maso gusa wicunge.
And they were telling me, do not protect that, but be.
Zagazaza amazinyu kandi zigira urugomo zazizari igitero. Mbwebwe ntizigenda ari yonyine. Zaza amaziza ari bataye ukamona ziraje kandi ufite igiti ukazukubita gusuka muvuza induru kugira ngo urashaka iki? Urashaka ibihumbi 16 by'amanyarwanda kugira ngo ugure pate jaune ico gihabaga pate jaune.
You will be in that critical situation only to get 16,000 rand and francs.
Iza nibuka ico gitambo.
I always remember that sacrifice I was able to give.
Iyo sacrifice.
I remember the sacrifice I gave.
I
always remember those nights. I remember the rainy nights that we had. Only just to get provision of posho. I'm just speaking on my behalf. But you also know you know how you can stand all day just to protect the life physically. But in a spiritual realm, a spiritual person, me, I'm a Christian. The power of the Spirit, a person strives for it. A person seeks for it. The same way you're seeking after money. That is how it happens. If you're not seeking the power of your heart, the power to abstain you from
ends up
abyisanzemo
when you are falling back to sin.
birangira
You find yourself
wisanze muri ubwo buzima.
back to that life.
Ntibishoboka.
It's impossible.
Bibiliya yavuze ngo ntibishoboka.
The Bible says
ntawo kwinjira mu rugo rw'umunyembaraga.
you can never intrude the strong man's
imbaraga zo
house.
mu mutima.
The power of your heart.